In today's fast-paced world, stress has become a part of our daily lives. Whether it's work pressure, family responsibilities, or personal challenges, stress is something that affects us all. However, there are simple techniques that we can adopt every day to manage stress effectively and bring calmness into our lives. Here are 5 easy ways to reduce stress and keep your mind peaceful. 1. Deep breathing. One of the simplest yet most effective techniques to manage stress is deep breathing. When you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious, your breath becomes shallow and fast. By practicing deep breathing, you activate your parasympathetic nervous system, which helps to calm your body and mind. To practice deep breathing, sit in a comfortable position and focus on your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4, hold for 4 seconds, and then exhale slowly through your mouth for a count of 6. Repeat this process for 5 to 10 minutes. With each breath, you'll feel the tension start to release, and your mind will feel clearer. This practice helps you to slow down, refocus, and relax, making it one of the best ways to manage stress in the moment. 2. Physical exercise. Exercise is not only beneficial for your physical health, but it also has a positive impact on your mental well-being. When you exercise, your body releases chemicals called endorphins, which are natural mood elevators. Regular physical activity helps to reduce the levels of stress hormones like cortisol and boosts feelings of happiness and relaxation. You don't need to engage in intense workouts to experience the benefits. Simple activities like walking, jogging, yoga, or stretching can work wonders. Spending even 20 to 30 minutes a day doing any form of exercise will help you release built-up tension, clear your mind, and reduce overall stress. Exercise also helps improve your sleep quality, which leads to better stress management overall. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness is the practice of staying present in the moment without judgment. Often, we tend to dwell on the past or worry about the future, which can contribute to our stress levels. Mindfulness helps you break this cycle by focusing on the here and now. You can practice mindfulness by simply paying full attention to your surroundings. For example, while you're walking, notice the sensations in your body, the sounds around you, and the beauty of the world. A great way to incorporate mindfulness into your day is through meditation. Taking just a few minutes a day to sit quietly and meditate can have a profound impact on your stress levels. Focus on your breath, let go of distracting thoughts, and bring yourself back to the present moment. Apps like Headspace or Calm offer guided meditations that can help you get started. Mindfulness and meditation work together to reduce anxiety, improve emotional regulation, and increase overall feelings of calmness. They also help to train your mind to respond more positively to stressors, rather than reacting impulsively. 4. Positive thinking. Our thoughts play a major role in shaping our emotional state. Negative thoughts can create unnecessary stress, while positive thinking helps to uplift our mood and provide a more balanced perspective. When you're feeling stressed, it's easy to fall into a cycle of negative thinking. You might start to believe that you're incapable of handling challenges or that things will never get better. However, by consciously replacing these negative thoughts with positive affirmations, you can shift your mindset. For example, when you feel stressed about an upcoming task, tell yourself, "I am capable of handling this situation with confidence," or "I have the skills to overcome challenges." Remind yourself of your past successes and the strength you've shown in difficult times. You can also start your day by repeating positive affirmations that resonate with you. Over time, these positive statements can help train your mind to focus on solutions, not problems, which significantly reduces stress. 5. Good sleep. Lack of sleep can greatly contribute to stress and anxiety. When we don't get enough rest, our bodies and minds don't have the opportunity to fully recharge. This leads to irritability, poor decision-making, and heightened stress responses. Therefore, getting enough quality sleep is crucial for stress management. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night. Establish a consistent sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time each day. Create a relaxing pre-sleep routine by avoiding screens, phones, computers, etc. at least 30 minutes before bed, and make sure your sleep environment engaging in calming activities like reading or taking a warm bath.